Hello everyone, welcome to Rise IS. I am Alok Bardhan and in today's Prelims Bite session, we will discuss an important article from today's The Hindu newspaper on Viksit Bharat-Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajeevika mission. So, today's topic is about VBG Ramji, Viksit Bharat Gramin for Rozgar and Ajeevika mission, Act 2025. So, today's article mentions that 95,962 crores set aside for VBG Ramji. So Union Rural Development Ministry, which is implementing agency for this scheme, allocated 95,962 crores for Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajeevika mission, famously known as VBG Ramji. This is the center share, and additional 40% fund should be a state will have to contribute additional 40%, and the total outlay of the scheme is 1.25 lakh crore, and highest allocation to Uttar Pradesh and followed by West Bengal and Tamil Nadu. And total allocation for a state is 92,550.17 crore, and total allocation for Union Territory is 1,291 crores. Now we'll see context of this article. So, Ministry of Rural Development announced interim allocation of 95,962 crores rupees for implementation of Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajeevika mission, which is famously known as VB Ramji Act 2025. Now we'll see about what is this act. So, VB Ramji Act repeals and replaces MGNREGA Act 2005, which shift focus from basic manual labor to creation of durable asset, especially asset related to water security and infrastructure. So, which is nodal ministry for this scheme? Nodal ministry is Ministry of Rural Development. So, what is the objective of this scheme? So, the core objective of this scheme is guarantee wage employment while creating quality rural infrastructure. Now we'll see what is the key provision of this scheme. So this scheme guarantees 125 days of wage employment per rural household, and the cost sharing between center and state is 60 to 40, where center shares 60% of the total cost and state share 40% of the cost. So center state cost sharing for wage payment 60 to 40. Now weekly payment to worker. Earlier in MGNREGA, workers payment usually occur in 15 days. So now in new scheme, the payment provision is weekly, and public work may be paused for 60 days during peak agriculture season. In rural areas, during peak agriculture season, workers tends to focus more on agriculture field, so they can get extra benefit and more benefit. So workers are less inclined to work in MGNREGA. To to do away this old bottleneck, government decided to pause for 60-day peak 60 days during peak agriculture season pause. And last provision is mandatory biometric authentication and AI enabled analytics for transparency and fund monitoring. Now we'll see key differences from MGNREGA. So first feature is guaranteed work. Earlier in MGNREGA, it was 100 days of guaranteed work. Under VBG Ramji 2025, guaranteed work enhanced to 125 days. In MGNREGA, wage funding 100% given by center. Now in VBG Ramji, funding pattern is 60% given by center and 40% given by state. Now we'll see wage payment. Payment of wage should be within 15 days and during in MGNREGA, but in VBG Ramji, payment wage is weekly payment. Now we see agriculture session. MGNREGA year-round work, and during VBG Ramji, pause up to 60 days during peak agriculture session is the main theme or main important point for this article. Then entitlement says legal right to work, and budget link schematic entitlement, and in infrastructure local asset creation linked with PM Gati Shakti through Viksit Gram Panchayat plan. So earlier local asset creation was happening in MGNREGA, but during with VVG Ramji, new project will be linked with PM Gati Shakti through Viksit Gram Panchayat plans. And earlier MIS and Aadhaar for payment system was technology used was MIS and Aadhaar technology, but now in VVG Ramji, mandatory biometrics and AI analytics is mandatory. So new scheme, which is VV Ramji, is more inclusive, more farmer friendly, more workers friendly. So this can help to resolve rural unemployment issue. So you can attempt this MCQ and comment your answer in our comment section. And thank you for attending this session. You can download complete PDF from our website, and for further preparation, please visit our YouTube channel and our website. Thank you.